It took us exactly 40 minutes to transform this fake rock, hollow rock inside, into a hotel for wildlife.
That's how tough this fabric is.
This is a
Wow.
professional drill bit for drilling ceramic tiles and granite. The fabric is so tough, it's very similar to the tiles and thick granite. The four entrances are on all different sides of the fake rock so that nobody would enter or exit in the same space. I think that'll make the animals feel a lot safer if they can exit on their own with not having holes on top of each other. I'm actually really surprised how strong this fabric is. It's insane. Drilling this hole is so tough, and you have to really go at it. The different layers of fabric make this incredibly strong and long lasting.
Yeah, I want to tell the background story about this fake rock that we're turning into a lizard hotel. We have so many stray dogs here at night. We can't keep our wildlife protected because the owners down below and other places, they always let their dogs go at night. So they're tied up all day, and at nighttime they let them loose to feed themselves. So they'll come on this property, they'll kill 3 or 4 reptiles here, eat a little bit of the reptile, and leave the rest. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to make, how many holes did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make 4 layers. So the reptiles can crawl inside here, protect themselves, and we're going to bury this so that the dogs can't knock it over, which they couldn't anyways. So we're hoping that birds and reptiles and whatever it may be, first come, first serve, will enter this structure, seek protection, be in the dry. This has been waterproofed, so they should be quite safe inside this huge fake rock. We're going to start doing the layering to make the separate layers, floors inside this rock. This thing is super strong. We varnished it. It's waterproof inside. So we're going to turn this into a lizard hotel. I've drilled the holes already. We're the only place probably that has a real sufficient supply of wildlife. We have rabbits, we have lizards, we have little birds nesting. So there's lots of prey here for these stray dogs to eat. So the idea we have is we want to create some shelters in the garden where they're 90% safe. If they get in this hole, they're definitely going to be safe from a dog. The idea is that we want to protect as many of these creatures as we can, because this dog problem, the ratio of this dog problem is it's insupportable. There are so many stray dogs coming here, and when we rake our walkways, the footprints are in the hundreds. Like, there's so many dogs traversing through here trying to find something to eat. We had these great big brown lizards. I have a video on them fighting, and we only have small ones left, so they've been eaten. So we want to really protect our wildlife on the property and give them some sanctuaries where they can hide out and be completely safe. Yeah, so we're going to start to make the 4 floors. We're using the fabric again, and all we're doing is we're cutting 1x3s and making a little platform for this to rest. So it's going to rest on there, and that'll create the separate rooms. This is going to be super strong. I'm going to dip it. And this shows up really nice with the gray cement. It shows up that it's coating the fabric. Okay. layer number 1, floor number 1. Yeah, it's really important to smear the walls with cement so this fabric sticks. Okay, so there's floor number 1. Yeah, so this is floor number 2. We're going to do floor number 3 next, which would be, so here's the entrance to this floor, because the roof is always the floor of the next unit. So there'll be a floor here, which is the roof and the floor of this unit. Sorry, will be the floor of this unit and the roof of this unit. So every single compartment is completely closed in. They're not going to be able to get from one compartment to the next. So hopefully we'll get many different groups of wildlife coming in here. For me, it's a very interesting experiment. I want to see what actually happens. It's going to be quite exciting to see if birds or whatever will move into this. It'll be very good for us to be able to film it because they'll feel safe and they'll come in and out slowly, so we can sort of keep track of what's actually living inside these compartments. So again, we have 4 separate compartments, and we strategically put the exits on opposite sides. So there's never two holes or 2 exits or entrances on top of each other. They're always on the other side. So hopefully this will fill up with wildlife. It would be quite exciting to see the lizards that we have here having a better place to hide and survive.